Good morning, viewers all over the world. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for your efforts so far in supporting my daughter, Queen Desire, in her quest to win the ongoing Film House Africa in Lagos. The competition will come to an end on Sunday, being 23rd of July. She is now on the final stage. I'm pleading for you, my fans and followers all over the world. Please vote for my daughter. A vote for Queen Desire is a vote for me, Ogbuefi. How to vote? A vote is 100 naira. You can vote as many as possible. No amount is too small, no amount is too big. You will see, look at your screen, on your screen, you will see the voting pattern. You will see the company's account, the organizer's account. Pay in the amount you want to pay, and please indicate that the money you are paying is for Queen Desire. Then forward that evidence to another number, WhatsApp number of the organizers, and make a remark that your voting is for Queen Desire. Please and please. However, if you cannot be able to do it, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672, so that I will help you. Or you pay into my account, I will forward it to the organizers. It is my passionate appeal. If you love my programs, please support her. Thank you all. Enjoy the rest of your day.